Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue working with the skirt with the draping. Last time, I showed you how to make a pattern for the details with the draping. I can start cutting them now. There is no need for me to add anything for the seam allowance to the top of the skirt. I need to add 1 cm to the side seams. This is the bottom. These edges are not straight, they are round. That's why it's enough to add just 5 mm for the seam allowance here. Be very attentive when cutting such round details. I don't recommend you adding too much for the seam allowance. This is the top of the skirt and this is the side seam. Next I need to cut the second detail. I don't add anything to the top here either. Five millimeters to the edge with the draping. Very nice. One centimeter to the bottom. The last edge to be cut is the second side seam. I hate it when I can't walk around the table because of the cameras. I'm cutting the second side seam. The front of the skirt is ready. Next I need to cut the back. First, I want to check if the details are even. This is how it should be done. If the difference is small, it's okay. I'll just cut the extra pieces. You can see that the details match. Perfect. I'll move the details aside. I'm not going to detach the patterns yet. Next, I need to cut the back. I'll cut from this side of the fabric, because I still need to cut the flounce, which is going to be pretty big. As I've already said, the back and the skirt is going to be very simple.
Ой, сюда же еще нужна будет подкладка. У меня подкладки ж нету. Ну, найдется. Вот так вот. Вот до сюда.
I can start cutting the back from this point.
Ткань пошла.
Very nice. I'll cut the back this way. I do not add anything to the top. One centimeter for the side seam. One centimeter to the bottom. I'll add 1.5 centimeters to the center back. I need to outline the waist tuck. The front and the back are ready. Next, I need to cut the flounce. I remind you that it's going to be 29 centimeters long and 2 meters wide. I need to cut the servage. The fabric is folded in half. This is why I need to measure and mark 1 meter here. As I've said, the fabric is folded in half. This is why I've measured and marked 1 meter. When I unfold the cut detail, it will be 2 meters wide. The fabric is pretty complicated. I need to cut the selvage first. Next, I need to measure and mark 29 centimeters here. The flounce seems very small. I think that I might add some to it later. I think that it would be better to add 1 meter here. I want the flounce to be beautiful. I'll think about it. Anyway, I've cut the front, the back, and the flounce. In the next video, I'll show you the take-in, and then I'll try the skirt on. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.